Did you ever find yourself at the checkout counter, heart pounding as you swipe your card and silently hope it doesn't decline? Or have you impulsively bought something only to feel a wave of regret wash over you moments later? I think we've all been there. Our relationship with money is a complex tapestry woven from personal experiences, cultural influences, and even our childhood memories. Today, we're diving into the world of money psychology, unraveling the threads to understand why we do what we do with our finances. Let's start with a story from my own life. I remember my first real paycheck. Fresh out of college, I felt like a king with all those hard-earned dollars in my account. But within a few weeks, it was gone. A new wardrobe, dinners out, and some gadgets had drained my funds faster than a leaky faucet. I was left wondering, why did I spend like that? It wasn't just about the items themselves. It was about the thrill, the temporary high, a feeling of reward for the long hours I'd put in. Sound familiar? Money can make us feel safe, powerful, and successful, but it can also spark fear, stress, and anxiety. Economists often discuss money in terms of numbers, graphs, and data, but there's an emotional narrative that underlies all of those figures. At the heart of this narrative are two powerful drivers: fear and greed. These emotions can lead to incredible financial decisions or, alternatively, catastrophic ones. Let's break it down. Fear often is about loss. Our brains are hardwired to avoid losing what we have. It's why some people tuck their money away in a savings account, afraid to invest in case the market nosedives. But here's the kicker. By playing it too safe, you might be missing out on opportunities for growth. Now flip the coin and consider greed. It's not just about wanting more money. It's the allure of quick gains, the seductive whisper that promises you can have it all now. This is what fuels risky investments and speculative trades without understanding the underlying risks. To manage these powerful emotions, it's helpful to adopt a mental model. Think of your financial journey as a garden. Your financial health is the soil, investments are the seeds, and patience is the sunlight. It takes time and the right conditions to grow something substantial. You wouldn't overwater your plants or expect a rose bush to bloom overnight, just like you shouldn't expect immediate returns from your investments. Let's talk about an essential tool in managing money: budgeting. Think of budgeting as a roadmap. It helps you see where you are, where you want to go, and how you might get there. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself to make choices that align with your goals. Whether you dream of buying a home, traveling the world, or simply having a comfortable cushion for retirement, budgeting is the compass that keeps you on course. Yet, as we navigate our financial landscapes, we must also consider the shadows cast by our upbringing and past experiences. Did you grow up in a household where money was tight? This might make you more cautious, perhaps even fearful of spending. Or maybe you had more than enough, leading to a more laissez-faire attitude. Our past doesn't dictate our future, but understanding its influence can help us make more conscious choices. One of the greatest insights I've gained over the years is the value of long-term thinking. It's all too easy to get swept up in the moment, chasing after the next big thing or responding to the latest market trend. But wealth isn't about a single victory. It's about consistent habits over time. It's about planting those seeds and tending to them with care and patience. In the stock market, for instance, this means resisting the urge to sell the moment the market dips. Those who weather the storms, history shows, often come out stronger on the other side. The market is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs, but if you panic at every drop, you'll miss the exhilaration of the climb. Ultimately, our relationship with money is deeply personal. It requires self-reflection and honesty. Ask yourself, what does money mean to me? How do I react when I have it? How do I feel when I don't? By asking these questions, you become more attuned to your financial behavior and can steer it more deliberately. As we wrap up, here's a thought to ponder. Money, at its core, is a tool. Like any tool, its value lies in how we use it. Harness it wisely, and it can be a means to freedom, security, and fulfillment. But let it control you, and it can become a source of stress and fear. Tonight, take a moment to reflect on your money story, where you've been, where you are, and where you wish to go. Understanding this narrative is the first step in mastering your financial life.